So this is my DeWalt 735 planer. We had a little accident the other day and I'm going to tell you about it. So that is the guard that holds the blade in. And what had happened was I was taking the blades out to replace them, and that screw that goes into this spot was stripped using this, and I couldn't get it out, and I rounded it off and still couldn't get it out, even though I tried multiple different ways that I saw on YouTube. None of them worked. So what I had to end up doing was drilling the screw out, and when I did that, I messed up the threads, so I couldn't get another screw back in there. Yeah, I know, it was stupid, but it is what it is. So I figured, well, there's what, 8, 9 other screws holding this in there? It should be fine. Well, learned from my stupidity that it was not fine, because I hit a knot or a really hard spot in a piece of walnut on this side of the planer about 2 weeks ago, and it hit where that screw was missing, threw the blade all over the place, all in the planer, chunks of it everywhere, and bent that. So now I either have to buy this part or the whole thing here, I'm not sure, or upgrade to a helical head, which is what I planned on doing, but everybody says they're about 3 to 6 months out on shipping, and they also cost anywhere from $500 to $600. So if anyone has any extra of these that they would like to send me, that would be awesome. Hit me up in the comments and let me know your email, and I'll contact you and see what we can work out. I'll pay for the shipping, and it would really be appreciated. So there you go. I hope everyone learns not to strip those screws out. And if you do, don't run the planer without all the screws in here. So we're having a few problems with our air upstairs, and my daughter Peyton said she was hot. So we're about to cool her off a little bit.
Stop!
I thought you were hot. Hey, if you're looking for some new builds this summer, splash on over to that playlist and I got you covered. But before you do that, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next video.